Welcome to Chartmill, our stock screening and analysis software. My name is Christoph and I'm one of the co-founders of Chartmill. And in this first Chartmill tutorial, I'll show you how to easily find the best trading candidates by using our automatic technical and fundamental analysis reports. So this is the home screen of Chartmill. We select the Stock Screener tab. And on this page, we choose General. In this screen, we will select some basic filters. First, price, the price of the stock. We select above 5. Of course, there are a bunch of other options. The average volume, and the average volume of the stock is the average volume for the last 50 days, as mentioned. So we select this option, above 500,000. And the exchange, US only in this example. So after those first three options, we are left with approximately almost 1800 stocks. So still in the same screen, we select the Fundamental tab and we choose the filter Chartmill Fundamental Rating. This is an overall rating score with a maximum of 10. In this example, we use a rating of 7. You can adjust the score according to your own wishes, but remember, the higher the score, the more selective the filter and the fewer candidates there will be. If we scroll down, you can see we are left with 80 stocks out of 1800, just by using this Chartmill Fundamental Rating filter with a score of 7 or higher. So from our Fundamental tab, we go to the more Technical tab, and this is the screen where we will use our last two filters. The first one is the Chartmill Technical Rating. It is a rating which is evaluating the overall technical health of a stock. We are going to choose a rating of 8 or higher. And then the next filter is the Chartmill Setup Quality, which evaluates the quality of a specific setup pattern. Also 8 or higher. So combining all these filters, fundamental analysis and technical analysis and some general basic filters, we are left with just 12 companies. 12 companies with very excellent technical and fundamental conditions. So if you move the mouse cursor over the ticker symbol, you can get a quick view of the price chart for each company. Or you can select the Charts tab, and then Chartmill will give you a price chart of each individual ticker. There are some other possibilities which you can explore. For example, the Chartmill ratings. It's also very handy. So this screen gives you a nice technical setup and fundamental overview of each of the selected companies. And if you want more in-depth information, you even can choose to see the full technical or the full fundamental report. For example, for Activision Blizzard, if we select the full technical report, Chartmill shows us the overall technical rating, 9 out of 10, and it even gives us a setup rating, 8 out of 10. If these scores are high enough, then the software will even suggest a possible trading setup. For example, for Activision Blizzard, it gives you an entry, a first stop loss, an exit, the distance in percentage, and the capital needed, with some trade notes beside it. You can also check the fundamental report of Activision Blizzard. So it has an overall fundamental rating of 7 out of 10. Profitability, valuation, growth, and health. And also some information about the dividend policy. The messages you see here, if it's green, it's positive, red is rather negative, and blue is neutral. So if you want to use or test Chartmill for yourself, that's very easy. Just follow the link at the bottom of this page. The basic but full usage of Chartmill is completely free. There are no strings attached. During the registration process, we won't ask you for any pay information. So that concludes this video. Trade well and trade safe.